No one's at the car wash. I think people are going to harass me about this, but here's a Payphone 4K video. When my dad and I got the truck stuck down there in 2002 or 03, we went here to call my mom on this Payphone. The Payphone is still here. Pretty cool, huh? So there's a video for the day. Cool filler content to get away from CRT TVs. Speaking of that, someone has one in their garage that's scratched though, but he's going to send me a picture of it soon, so I'm going to pick that up today. If you guess what squeaky car this is, I'll pin your comment. You have to guess. Any guesses? Leave a comment. I'll pin it if you get it right. And you have to guess the color too. Kitty.